Hello dear friends, good evening. Welcome to English with Jit. In this video, we are going to discuss ASO 2022 examination all English questions and their 100% correct answers. Okay, so let's start. But before that, let me tell you, I don't want to give you any kind of explanation. I just have to show you the correct answers because if I will describe every questions, you will get bored and it will be lengthy. So first, you just have to know all the correct answers. Then if you want to know the explanation, just comment me, I will make a video on that. Okay, so let's start from number one question. As you can read, you are required to rearrange these parts which are labeled P, Q, R and S to produce the correct sentence. Okay, means it is sentence rearrange. माने भूल अच्छी तो सेंटेंस होची चारटा ऑप्शन देछि तो आपण माने ताको ठीक करे लिखिबे बुझ पाले तो क्वेश्चन मींस ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट P R S Q for thousands of years monuments have been created and they are often the most durable and famous symbols of ancient civilization. Okay, so option number C is correct. Then number 2 option is correct. SPRQ. The conservation status of plants and animals is one of the most widely used indicators for assessing the condition of ecosystems and their biodiversity. Okay, so option A is absolutely correct. Then question number 3 is A option is correct. QSPR. Okay, so number 3 question and the correct answer is A, QSPR. Okay, so let's move to number 4. Then number 4 the number 4 correct answer is option number D. As you can see that option number D, there is a right symbol on that. So QSPR. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument built in 1631 by an emperor named Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, absolutely. Then number 5, again same question, sentence rearrange, and the correct answer is option B, QPSR. Number 5 question, and it means it is correct option is B, QPSR. Okay, then number 6, do you like these events? Absolutely, B is correct. Okay, it is very simple question. Do you like? Option number B is correct. Then number 7, the dog and the cat dash been fed, have been fed. Option number D is correct, have. Okay, have been fed. Then number 8, his works dash appreciable. Options आपण मन देखि परथुवे are, is, then has, have. R means R is correct. His works are appreciable. Option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. Then question number 9, many a man dash suffered during partition. So has. Many a man has. Option number B is correct. Okay. Then number 10, the chief along with his family dash involved. C option is correct, is involved. Okay. Then number 11, she shall dash soon. She shall obviously come soon. Option number A is correct. Then 12, measles dash a common disease among children. Okay, measles आपण माने भाबुते एस रे जेहेतु एंड हेछि एटा प्लुरल किंतु ना measles is a disease like in Odia it is called malaria. Not malaria, I'm sorry, it is called milimila. Okay, milimila, yes. So is. Okay, measles is a common disease among children, is. Then number 13, the board of directors dash anxious, have been anxious. Option number B is correct. Then number 14, few applicants dash backed out, have backed out. Okay, option A is correct. Number 14, option A is correct, have. Then number 15, some of the rice dash still left, is still left. Okay, option number A. Number 15, option number A is correct. Then public speaking dash a skill. Of course, option number D is a skill. Okay. Then there is a passage number 17. B option is correct, books as man's abiding friends. Then number 18, prosperity is the correct answer. Option number B is correct answer. Then number 19, C is correct answer. A good book can be included among the best of friends and best of friends of mankind. Then number 20, C is correct answer. We have sometimes to be patient with a book as it may bore us. Okay. Then 21, number 21, option D is correct. Okay, D is correct. His selection of books generally reveals his temperament and character. Okay, very good. Then 22, glutton is related to eat as garrulous is related to talk. Okay, talk. And number 22, option number B is correct. Then duel is related to denizen as inherit is related to heir, HEIR. Okay, so option number D is correct. Number 23, option number D is correct. Then number 24, writer is related to reader as producer is related to consumer. Number B. Option means number 24, option number B is correct. Then 25, change as you can say active and passive voice, it is very easy. So number 25, C is correct answer, will be cleaned. Okay, will be cleaned, option number C. Then 26, people dash walk on grass, must not. Okay, so people must not walk on grass, option number C. Number 26, option number C. Then 27, choose the correct word order. So number B, option number B is correct. Why did she leave so early? Okay, so 27 number, option B is correct answer. Then 28, C is correct answer. Get hurt means, you know, take as you can read the question, select same meaning of the underlined one word. So get hurt means, you know, scalded. Okay, option number C is correct. Then 29, dash is principle, he has to be very careful. So with regard to, option number C is correct. Okay, 29 number, option number C is correct. He was seen dash to the school. He was seen going to the school, option number B. Number 30, option B is absolutely correct. Then 31, they organized a party in his honor that Ajita was not invited to. To it was a shame. She admired him most and she seems unlikely that she would forgive the organizer for their omission. So as you can see that number 31, question number 31, option number C is absolutely correct. Question number 32, when I say that the benefits of demonetization are moot, what do I mean? Okay, so the option number D is absolutely correct, that the benefits of demonetization are debatable. Okay, then question number 33, choose matching preposition to complete the following phrases. So as you can see that, you know, according to, different from, based on, bored by, and consisting of. So number 33, A option is absolutely correct. Okay, number 34, he had earned his well-paid job after a long struggle, but when he left at the most inopportune time, it cost him the job. List the verbs in the sentence. Of course, option number B is absolutely correct. Had earned, left, and cost. Very good. So number 35, question number 35, which of the statements about the following sentence is true? The Raos had been living so frugally all year that they saved enough money for a Mercedes. The Raos had been living so frugally all year that they saved enough money for a Mercedes. So option number B is correct. The past perfect continuous tense used here indicates an ongoing state prior to a past action. Okay, so option number B, number 35 question. Number 36, choose from the options how the sentence can be improved. They could not admire his bright performance because they disliked him. Okay, here option number C is absolutely correct, because they dislike him. Then number 37, choose from the options how the sentence can be improved. She was uneasy because she never been on a plane before. Okay, here option number A is correct, had never been. Then number 38, choose from the options how the sentence can be improved, the only work when they have no money. Okay, here option number C is correct. Work only when. Okay, work only when. Then number 39, IT experts may have to stop hunting for better job opportunities as these are not so easily available now. Okay, so number 39, option number A, no correction required, is absolutely correct answer. Okay, so number 39, A option is correct. Number 40, choose from the options how the sentence can be improved. The New York City, the NYC building at New York City as is high as every other building in the United States of America. So here option C is correct, higher than any other building. Number 40, option number C is correct. Then choose the number 41, choose the correct part of speech for the words in bracket. Okay, C as well as her sister is engaged. Of course, conjunction. Okay, so conjunction is right answer. 41 number option A is correct. Option A. Then 42, choose the correct part of speech for the word in bracket. The politician is notorious for. For means you know that preposition. Okay, so 42 option number B is correct. Then 43, choose the correct part of speech for the word in bracket. The golden ring is too costly to purchase. Here, oh my gosh, here I am telling you, here adjective is correct. Okay, number C, adjective is correct. Why? Because the golden ring, here we are talking about the golden ring. As you know that golden ring is noun, so we already know that when something is describing the noun, it is called as adjective. Okay, so it is adjective. Number 43, number C, option C is correct. Okay, then number 44, choose the correct parts of speech for the word in bracket. A drowning man catches at a straw. So complement. Here 44, option A is correct. Complement. Then number 45, choose the correct part of speech for the word in bracket. A great talker is a great liar. Of course, noun. We know that, right? So number 45, noun is the correct. Option number D is correct. Then 46, choose the correct part of speech for the words in bracket. Eat in bracket to live, but do not live to eat. Okay, so it is, we know that it is very easy infinitive. Okay, so 46, option number B is correct. Then number 47, Anita dash for the charitable cause. Anita came to contribute. Okay, you know that. Okay, it is kind of easy. So number 47, question number 47, option C is correct. Then 48, everyone at the party dash amazed by his performance. Everyone obviously singular, so watch. Okay, 48, option number A is correct. Okay, 48, option number A is correct. And then 49, Alice is not at home at the moment. She dash work. She is at work. Of course, 49, option number D is correct. Then 50, number 50, French people love cooking dash the English don't seem very interested. French people love cooking, whereas. Okay, whereas option number D is correct. Then 51, choose the correct statement. Option number B is correct because here we are focusing on aunt, so there is a comma. So option number B, number means question number 51, option number B is absolutely correct. Okay, then 52, wait a minute, I dash this box for you. I will carry this box for you. Option number B. Okay, 52 number, option number B is correct. 53, it is wet and rainy outside today. You dash go out without an umbrella. You should not. Easy, right? So option number A is correct. You should not. Then 54, change into passive. The salt water coated the metal beans. The metal beans dash by the salt water. Okay, so it is very easy. Option number D, where coated, is the right answer. So number 54, option D is correct. Then the headmaster dash to talk to you. Of course, third person singular number, so verb plus s. Okay, so the headmaster wants to talk to you. Number 55, option means correct option is option B, wants. Then 56, a bomb scare dash a delay of the flight. A bomb scare number 56, right? So here the answer is was caused. Okay, a bomb scare dash of was scare. Option number C. Okay, option number C is caused. C is correct. Was caused. Okay. So then was caused is the answer. Then 57, change into passive. Everyone understands English dash by everyone. It is very easy. 57 is understood. Okay, option number A. Okay, option number A is correct. Then 58, the diamond ring that her husband brought for her turned dash to be fake one. Okay, 58, option number A. Okay, option number A, in, turned in. Okay, in is correct. Then 59, Tom dashed to call Susan yesterday, but he has forgotten. So here 59, option number D, was supposed is the correct answer. Okay, option number D, was supposed. Okay. So next one, number 60. Choose the correct statement. Question number 60. Choose the correct statement. So we know that it is very easy. Now option number B is correct. C is senior to me. Option number B. Then 61. Choose the correct statement. Here also same. B is correct answer. I will inform them of this. Okay, 61, option number B is correct. Then 62, which sentence is correct? She lives in an apartment. Of course, आपन को आउ किसी ऑप्शन देखियार नहीं. 62, option number A is absolutely correct. Then 63, number 63, which sentence is correct? It is also very easy. We will go shopping soon. Option number A. Okay, so 63, option number A is correct. Then 64, which sentence is correct? It is also very easy. I am tired of working. Okay, same, option number A is correct. Doesn't it intrigue you? The word in the bracket means, of course, arouse interest. Option number 65, option number A is correct. Then 66, the branches of trees were fondling the sky. Okay, were fondling the sky. The word in bracket means, here the means is touching. Option number C. 66, option number C, touching is the correct answer. Then what is synonym of veracity? Veracity, you know that, right? Reality. Option number B, reality is correct answer. Then give the antonym of military. Military, you know that, civilly. Okay, 68, option number A is correct. Then 69, choose the word which is most opposite in meaning to the word embrace. Embrace, you know that, right? Absolutely, it is very easy. So reject is the correct answer. Reject is the correct answer. Option number C. So number 70, choose the word which is most opposite in meaning to the word subversion. Subversion, compliance. Okay, so option number C is correct answer. 70 means question number 70, option number C is correct. Then 71, choose the word which is most opposite in the meaning to the word sinister. Of course, good. Okay, so 71, good. Option number A is correct. Then 72, she wasn't feeling well, so she was dashed to go to the evening party. What should be used? Fill in the blank. Okay, reluctant. Okay, so option number B, reluctant, is the correct answer. Means question number 72, option B is correct. Then 73, he fired his assistant for assessing his files without his what word is appropriate for the blank? Of course, consent. Okay, consent, option number C, consent is the correct answer. Question number 73, option number C is correct. So question number 74, as you can see that in each of the following questions for four words are given, of which two are most nearly the same or opposite in meaning. Find the two words which are most nearly the same or opposite in meaning, okay, from the below given combinations. Okay, so number 74, question number 74, B option is absolutely right. I and IV, withstand and surrender. Okay, then question number 75, and the correct answer of 75 is A, I triple I. Okay, I triple I, question number A, gregarious and sociable. Okay, so 75 option number A is absolutely correct. Then 76, question number 76, and here the appropriate answer is option number C. Okay, option number C, double IV. Okay, double I, repudiate and disown. Okay, very good. The number 77. Nafisa is afraid dash spiders. Of course, you know that. Afraid of. Afraid of. And option is D is correct. Okay. Option D is correct. Then 78. I am worried dash the exam. Of course, you know that. Worried about. Option number B. Question number 78. Option number B is correct. About. Then he looks upset. I think he took the criticism dash hard. Okay, so 79 option number A is correct. Too hard. Okay, 79. Then 80. I am envious dash them. I am envious about of them. Okay, number 80, A option is correct. A option is absolutely correct. A option. Okay, then 81, he confided dash me in. Okay, he confided in me. Option number B. 81 option number B is correct. Then they decided dash the gray sofa on they decided on the gray sofa. Option number B. Question number 82 option number B is absolutely correct. Then she suffers when it comes for suffers, you know the answer, right? Because we have written so many so many applications. So suffers from, right? So number 83, question number 83, option C is appropriate answer. Then 84, the teacher said some homework dash the end of the session. Okay, 84 at option number D is correct answer, at the end of the lesson. At the end of the lesson. 85, I am good dash tennis. Of course, I am good at tennis. 85 option number C is correct answer. Then 86, we arrived at the station 1 hour late. We arrived particular station, so at option number C is correct answer, at. Then they usually spend their holidays in dash the one, in the mountains. Option number A is correct. Question number 87, option number A is correct. Then Los Angeles has dash ideal climate. Dash ideal climate and ideal climate. Option number D is correct. Question number 88, option number D is correct. Then 89, this is dash worst Mexican restaurant in the country. Worst means superlative degree, as you know that. So the option number 89, option number the A is correct answer. Then 90, I can't live on dash $500 a month. Okay, so question number 90, we don't need any article, so no article. Question number 90, B option is correct. Then question number 91, someone called dash policeman singular, right? So A option number C is correct. 91 option number C. Then 92, someone called dash police. Of course, the police, not mentioned, so the police. Okay, so 92 option number A is correct. He is dash real American hero. He is is appropriate answer. He is a real American hero. Option number C. Option number C. Okay. Then 94, I don't like dash dogs, but I like my brother's dog. Okay, 94 also doesn't require any article, so no article. No, 94 option is 94 questions, option number B is correct. I haven't seen him in dash 5 years. 95, no article. Okay, no article required for that. Okay, so question number 95, B option is correct. Then Kobe Bryant is dash basketball player. So 96 The correct option is option number C. A Kobe Bryant is a basketball player. Then 97, the fire dash hearts before the fire brigade came. The fire brigade came. So here 97, the correct answer is option number A, had burnt. Okay, had burnt. Then 98, I have dashed my work. Of course, I have done my work. It is very easy peasy, right? 98, D. Option number D is correct. Then don't make a noise. C, don't make a noise. C is sleeping. Present situation continuing. So C is sleeping, right? C is sleeping. Option number C is appropriate. Will you go dash a movie? To see a movie, right? It is very easy also. So option means question number 100, and the appropriate answer is option number A, to see. Will you go to see a movie? So it was all about ASO English questions, and all their correct, appropriate, right answers. Thank you.